This is Computer Insider, Canada's most watched, most listened to technology series. From around the world, computer news, user tips, hardware profiles, and software insights. Avoiding technobabble, we keep you informed in plain language. Computer Insider is hosted by award-winning international broadcast journalist Bob Pritchard.
Thank you very much for joining us today. Probably the most hyped item in the marketplace are the brand new Google Glasses. In simple terms, Google Glasses project images in front of your eyes using a translucent display that will function as a heads-up display or HUD in front of your eye. It will have a built-in GPS, a compass so you know which way you're facing, 4G connectivity, as well as an accelerometer and voice recognition for input-output of data. All of this sounds like a lot of fun, but in reality, it's not very good without software or apps. So today, we're going to check out the top apps just to see if the Google Glasses will really be worth the $1,500 price tag. Topping off every list is the camera feature. The lens is mounted in the corner of glasses, and the big plus here is that you don't have to hold onto the camera because it's obviously built into the glasses, meaning that where you look is where you're taking a picture of. Great for things like baby pictures or outdoor activities, but a pretty hefty price tag if you're only looking for a tripod. Another series of apps that seems to have found its home with Google Glasses are the ones that focus on areas where a computer is not normally available, things like in the kitchen, so look for a blossoming array of cooking apps to come out into the marketplace. A third area that seems to be just right is the fitness market. By using Google Glasses, your whole routine can be displayed right in front of your eyes, complete with a heart rate monitor, GPS, and if you happen to be outside for a run, of course, and untold amounts of other information that would be useful. Now, the real question is, do these apps justify the price tag? And my guess is, well, that the answer is going to be no. Let's face it, at $1,500, the market is pretty much limited to really rich early adopters who know that the price is going to drop substantially shortly after the product launch. My mind says that eventually, the real value will come in areas where today's technology is becoming somewhat overwhelming. Take the new cars that are shipping into the marketplace with blind spot alerts, backup notification, lane departure technology, and an increasing reliance on GPS. These glasses would be ideal in this environment, providing that they could be integrated directly into your car's technology, but that's probably years away. And another consideration is our distracted driving laws. If police today are handing out tickets for holding onto your phone while you're making a call and driving, how are they going to respond to you beaming email into your eye or catching the evening television news while you're driving home? And let's take another leap forward and talk about pedestrians who are wandering down the street focused on, well, whatever the latest hot button on the internet is, instead of keeping an eye on what's happening around them. Lots of things to consider with this brand new toy. For Computer Insider, I'm Bob Pritchard.
This is Computer Insider, Canada's most watched, most listened to technology series. From around the world, computer news, user tips, hardware profiles, and software insights. Avoiding technobabble, we keep you informed in plain language. Computer Insider is hosted by award-winning international broadcast journalist Bob Pritchard.